Guys, Osman99 here, and we're going to be playing Color Switch. This is one of my favorite games. I haven't played it in a really long time, but it's really fun. They added some new game modes, including fidget spinner. I already went through some of the levels. It's pretty cool. Eventually, you run into like these fidget spinner like things that you. Yeah, it's just really cool. It's called fidget spinner. I think there should be more fidget spinners. There's some fidget spinners. Like that one. Let's see what it does. You have to time it right. Bam. Whee! Well, that's getting smaller. How the heck are we supposed to do this? How'd I do that? You guys have any idea? Fidget spinner! What the heck is this? Fidget spinner! Ooh, new ball. Wait. Thumbs up! Oh! Now. Pew! Pew! Like, what's so challenging about this level? Pew! Brr. Fidget! Can't stop fidgeting! What the? Really? Wait, what? No, that's a pop-up ad. Stupid thing. Okay, what? Everything's free. Whatever. Put it into it. It's the fidget spinner. Yeah. Resume. No! Bad fidget spinner. Oh, come on. No. Try. Ah, man. I can't stop fidgeting. Got it. Fidget! Fidget. Fidget. Wait, what? I didn't see that. I wasn't paying attention to that part. Bouncy. Bouncy! This fidget spinner is bouncy. Bouncy spinner. Fidget. Come on. Stupid pop-up ad. Get out. I said no. And I hate those pop-up ads. It's one thing I don't like about this game. No. Takes a lot of concentration. 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 No concentration. That sucked. Ew! Mama. I say, Mama? Fidget spinner. I just can't stop fidgeting. Oh, here we go. Now we got some fidgets. Whee! Fidget! Keep fidgeting! Bam! Let's keep fidgeting. Fidget buzz! New ball. Ooh, that's cool. Let's equip it. Or one of them. Get out of there. Okay. Yeah, that's really... Why can't I... Pew! Wow! We're so good at this game. So good. How the heck? Ow! Can't stop fidgeting! Hey. What the heck is this? Fidget! 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 I don't have a fidget spinner, but I really want one! Give me a fidget spinner! How does that work? I didn't even have to go on the fidget spinner. Whoa, that's fast. How the... I can't stop fidgeting! Can't stop! Can't! Can't! Date? Can't! Oh! Whip, 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 whip. Wee. Oh, we're purple now. Pink. Okay, we're gonna be purple. Blue. Stop fidgeting! What the heck? Fidget! Fidget! Midget! Blink. I got a fidget with my midget. More midgets. More fidgets. More fidget midgets. Bam! Yeah! I can't stop fidgeting! How did that work? Pew! Pew! What the heck is this? Oh, we got smashed. Oh! good at this. Wow. That was easy. Oh, that's not gonna be this. How the heck is that even gonna line up? I really can't stop fidgeting, so yeah. New ball. Well, I think that's gonna end it for today's video. Peace out! And stop fidgeting. No, you can.